Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on fitness gear with GNC, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, visit the GNC website or your nearest GNC store. Browse through their extensive range of fitness gear and supplements. Look for the clearance section or sales tab on the website. Sign up for the GNC membership program if you haven't already. Members often receive exclusive discounts and offers. Be sure to take advantage of their buy one, get one free deals on select items. Check for promotions during holidays or special sale events. Follow GNC on social media for flash sales and limited time offers. Consider using GNC's mobile app for additional savings and notifications. Compare prices of items you want with other retailers to ensure you're getting the best deal. Look for bundled offers where you can save by purchasing items together. Always review GNC's return policy in case you need to make any exchanges. Remember to check for any available coupons or promo codes before completing your purchase. Take note of GNC's loyalty program that rewards you for every dollar spent. Plan your purchases around seasonal sales to maximize your savings. Finally, keep an eye on your email inbox for special promotional offers sent directly to you. By following these steps, you can save significantly on your fitness gear at GNC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.